The Vondior Coffee Carafe Airpot Dispenser is a robust solution for anyone needing to serve hot or cold beverages to a group. This appliance, with its substantial 102-ounce or 3-liter capacity, holds approximately 15 standard coffee cups. Consequently, it is perfectly suited for large gatherings, office meetings, or extended outdoor activities. Crucially, the thermal performance is a key selling point. It boasts laboratory-tested, double-walled vacuum insulation technology. Thus, users can trust that hot beverages will remain warm for an impressive 20 hours. Similarly, cold drinks maintain their chill for the exact same duration. This extended temperature retention makes the Vondior Airpot an exceptionally reliable choice for all-day service, eliminating the need for constant reheating or rechilling. The design prioritizes both safety and ease of use. Specifically, the pump action top is a particularly convenient feature. This mechanism allows users to dispense their drink with a single press, eliminating the need to lift or tilt the heavy, full Airpot. Furthermore, this design significantly minimizes the risk of spills, overturns, or leaks. Therefore, the dispenser is notably user-friendly for people of all ages, including the elderly and children. The construction of the carafe itself also ensures long-term durability. Both the interior and exterior are crafted from high-quality stainless steel, providing a sleek look and a resilient structure built to withstand regular use in various settings. Another thoughtful aspect of the Vondior Coffee Carafe's design relates directly to filling and cleaning. The top of the carafe is designed to be completely removable. Moreover, this is achieved easily with the simple press of a button. Consequently, the carafe features a notably wide opening. This generous mouth makes the process of pouring in liquids effortless and mess-free. Additionally, the wide opening comfortably accommodates ice cubes, which is a significant bonus for anyone serving iced teas, water, or other chilled beverages. This combination of an easy-to-remove top and a wide mouth streamlines the setup process for any event or trip. Finally, the product offers a compelling added value that enhances the user experience. The Vondior Coffee Carafe comes with a valuable bonus accessory, a dedicated cleaning brush. In fact, this brush is an essential tool. It simplifies the process of cleaning the carafe's insulation, helping to maintain optimal hygiene and taste. Similar brushes, as noted by the manufacturer, often retail for around $10. Hence, its inclusion is a generous benefit for the consumer. In summary, the Vondior 102 ounces per 3-liter Airpot Coffee Dispenser presents a blend of excellent thermal retention, safe pump-action dispensing, durable stainless steel construction, and practical design features, making it a highly functional choice for fresh, all-day beverage service.